Hello everyone, welcome back to the Programming Den. In today's video, we will learn about JDK, JRE and JVM. So let's start. Alright everyone, let's start with JDK. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. It is a software development kit which is used to develop Java applications or Java programs. As you can see here, JDK internally contains JRE and JVM. As I said earlier, JDK stands for Java Development Kit. It contains everything that we need for compilation, for debugging, and to run Java program into our system. It includes various tools such as JavaC. JavaC stands for Java Compiler. JavaC translates Java source code into machine readable bytecode. It also includes Java Interpreter. Java Interpreter is a program that executes Java bytecode, which means it is a program which is responsible for executing Java program or Java application into our system. Also include various tools such as Javadoc. Javadoc is a tool used for generating API documentation from Java source code. Then jar, which stand for Java Archive. It's a file format used to package all Java classes, resources and its metadata into a single file. And it includes many other tools required for Java development. In simpler terms, think of JDK as the toolbox that Java developers use to build and deploy their Java application. So let's move on to the JRE section. JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. It internally contains JVM and other libraries. JRE, which is Java Runtime Environment, is a set of software tools that allows a computer to run Java application. As I already said, it includes the JVM, which is Java Virtual Machine, which is responsible for executing Java bytecode, as well as it contains core libraries and other components which are necessary for running Java program into our system. Unlike the JDK, which is used by the developers, the JRE is for end users who wants to run Java application on their machines. It provides the runtime environment needed to execute Java code smoothly. So in summary, while JDK is for development, JRE is for running Java application. So let's move on to our final part, JVM. JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. It's an essential component of Java platform. As I said earlier, JVM is responsible for executing Java bytecode. It also includes various other files such as rt.jar. rt.jar stands for runtime jar or runtime Java archive. JVM is an abstract machine that provides an environment to execute Java bytecode, which enables a computer to run Java program. Instead of running directly on the hardware, Java program runs inside the JVM, which ensures platform independence. JVM's key role is to take bytecode which is generated by the Java compiler and translate it into a machine code. It also manages memory, handles garbage collection, and provide other runtime services for Java application. In summary, JVM acts as a bridge between the Java code and the operating system. And so, because of JVM, our Java program becomes platform independent and it runs seamlessly on different platforms without needing to be recompiled. So, we are done here. In today's video, we have covered JDK, JRE, and JVM. In the next slide, I have provided the differences between them.